Hello and welcome to a new recipe from Spice and Easy Kitchen. Today's recipe is chicken with potatoes. I cut the chicken into these pieces like this. You can also use only chicken thighs, and the chicken should be washed well. I always wash the chicken well with lemon peel and cut a red onion. I add salt and grind everything together. I also add ginger and coat the chicken with it for 1 hour. This gives the chicken a wonderful flavor. No matter how you cook it, it always tastes delicious. For the spices, I have paprika and ginger. I also have turmeric, black pepper and chicken spice mix. I added a little ground thyme as well. I also have harissa and 1 spoon of mustard. The salt quantity always depends on your taste. I also add 1 spoon of honey. Use any honey you like. I have 1 tablespoon of yogurt and half a squeezed lemon. I also added 3 spoons of traditional oil and garlic cloves. I grated 1 medium onion with a coarse grater. Now I will mix all the spices together. I start by adding the yogurt. The yogurt makes the chicken tender. Then I add the squeezed lemon juice. Next comes the traditional oil. Then I add the crushed garlic cloves. I also add the harissa, salt and mustard. Now I add the honey. The honey gives the chicken a beautiful shine. It makes the chicken look very nice. Now I add the grated onion from the coarse side. I mix the onion with all the spices. Try this chicken recipe with small potatoes. Follow all the steps with me, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. I keep coating the chicken well with the marinade. Make sure the marinade reaches every open part. This helps the flavor go deep inside. If you only have chicken thighs, use them the same way. Any type of chicken works perfectly with this recipe. This recipe turns out very delicious. Now I cover the chicken with plastic wrap. Leave it to marinate for at least 1 hour. The longer it marinates, the better the flavor becomes. If you prepare it the night before, do not add the onion yet. Add the onion only the next day before cooking. Keep the chicken marinating in the refrigerator overnight. If you cook it the same day, leave it at least 1 hour. The better it marinates, the tastier it becomes. I will leave it for about 1 hour and a half. The chicken has now marinated for almost 2 hours. Wash the small potatoes very well. I add a little traditional oil to the potatoes. I use about 1 or 2 spoons. Then I add a little salt and a little black pepper. I mix the potatoes well with this seasoning. Then I arrange them in the dish. Now I start arranging the chicken. I also add cherry tomatoes softened in a little water. They decorate the dish and taste delicious too. You can also use regular cherry tomatoes. Add them only during the last 10 minutes of cooking. They only need a short cooking time. I wet the baking paper with a little water and cover the dish. Then I place another tray on top to cover it well. You can also use aluminum foil if you have it. I leave it covered for 45 minutes. The oven is preheated to 200 degrees. After 45 minutes, I will check the chicken. Now the chicken is cooked and I remove the paper. Then I add the spinach leaves. I return everything to the oven so it can brown nicely. The potatoes will also become golden in color. Now the chicken and potatoes are nicely browned. I add a little parsley on top. It gives a beautiful touch to the dish. Parsley is also very healthy and full of benefits. This is the final result of the chicken with potatoes dish. The marinade is incredibly delicious and flavorful. Try this recipe exactly with this marinade. If you do not like thyme, you can use rosemary instead. The honey and mustard give a beautiful shine. They also improve the flavor of the potatoes. The yogurt keeps the chicken crispy outside and tender inside. The final result is absolutely wonderful. I hope you enjoy today's recipe and prepare it at home. See you in the next video.